this is a new one league versus league pack. League versus league pack, and today let's just add items and just see if we can get one of the league versus league elite players or gold players. Nope, we got TJ Warren. But that elite real quick can be put into here to get either Paul George, Kemba Walker, or this Andre Drummond. Being a Pistons fan, I'm gonna want to do it in this, and the fact that I have a good small ball lineup. So you just need 10 of these and 2 small ball master stuff. All of them are 92 overalls, as you can see. And if you want to join my league, there's one open spot right now. There it is. We're 3-3 in tournaments, but it's gonna be a peace.